Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to learn prepositions. The word preposition means a position before a thing or word, etc. Look at these examples. The fish is in the bowl. The snake is in the hole. The dog is under the table. The cat is on the table. The sheep jumped over the fence. The van is in front of the post office. Here, the words in, under, on, over, in front of are prepositions that tell us about the position of a noun. Now, let's learn the use of prepositions and the differences between in, on, and at. We use in for months, seasons, years, centuries, times of day, and longer periods of time. We use on for days of the week, that is on Monday, Tuesday, and parts of the days, that is on Saturday morning, on Tuesday afternoon, and for dates on November 22nd, and for special days like on my birthday or New Year's Eve, like that. And next we use preposition at for showing exact time like 7:30 a.m. or at 5 o'clock, and also for festivals like Christmas, Easter, and for shorter periods like at night, at noon, etc. So, hope you have understood how to use preposition in, on, at in sentences. All of you read this part carefully. We know that a preposition is generally used before its object. And let's see the answers of exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition for each sentence. My school is near my house. I walk to school every morning. Near means close to. Next one, the flower vase is on the table. That means the surface of the table. Third one, the books are on the shelf. The monkey is on the branch. The two birds sat beside each other on the tree branch. The bone is in the dog's mouth. The girl is sleeping on the bed. The pencil stand is on the table. The flowers are in the vase. The book is beside the vase. And let's say the prepositions at, on, in, of, after, before, between, or behind to complete the sentences. We woke up dash midnight. So here we use the preposition at because it shows shorter period of time. My birthday is dash the 3rd of November. So here the date is mentioned. So we use preposition on. I reach school every day dash 8 a.m. Here the exact time is mentioned, that is 8 a.m. So we use preposition at. My mother will return dash May. So May is a name of a month. So the answer is in. Some birds come out of their nest dash spring. So spring is season. So the answer is in. Trees shed their leaves dash autumn. Again, autumn is season. So we use in. India became independent dash 15th August 1947. A special date is mentioned. So it is on. I will see you dash 4 p.m. So it's a clock time 4 p.m. So the answer is at. November comes dash October. Here the answer is after. It means later than or followed by. I will come to the park dash finishing my homework. After. The bottle is full dash water. Off. My school is just dash city center. Behind. Behind means at the back. The Rajdhani Express runs dash New Delhi and the other big cities of India. So the answer is between. Between is used to refer time and the differences that separate two things. I will wait for you dash the bus stop. At. Exact place is given. So we use at. The train will arrive dash platform number 1. At. He said he would meet me dash 4 and 5 o'clock. Between. I always pray dash dinner. Before. Before means earlier than the time. You should wash your own plate dash a meal. After. Many people carry an umbrella dash their bags. In their bags. Here in means inside. I knew there was someone standing dash me. Answer is behind. So hope you have understood how do we use prepositions in sentences. So all of you read this usages of prepositions and examples and do your exercises carefully. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.